Hello, this is Joachim from Valmuen. We at Valmuen want to create events, like for instance tournament, for all students, and therefore we would like to know what games you would like to play in any event. To make this easy for all, we created this document where you can write yourself in. On the left side of the document, here are all the games that we can make events from. If there is a game that is not on the list and you would like to play in events, then add it at the bottom. And then at a later point we will sort it alphabetically into the list. On the upper part you can see the names and start year of students. You can scroll to find an empty spot and write your name, nickname or gamer tag. If you choose your real name, please write your whole name so that the search engine won't break due to two people owning the same name. After you have written your name, go down the list and answer yes or no in the fields below. This is to show which game you would like to have in events. At the bottom of the screen, you can find a search function. Here you can write the name of a person to find the games they want to play, or search for a game to find out who wants to play it. By writing Jackbox here, you can see all the players that wants to play this game. And here you can see all the games that Joachim, aka me, wants to play. Lastly, you have a feedback tab. Here we would love if you could give some feedback to the list, be it technical or otherwise. Also, all students and teachers are welcome to add into the list. It would be good if people pop into the list and update their own answers as new game may be added. Thank you, and I hope that you will use this document and that you will find it highly usable. In any case, we at Valmuen will appreciate if you use it and write yourself in, because creating events will be a lot easier for us and a lot better for you. Thank you.